What is up, RPG Show VIP members? My name is Ashley Waite. I am a hairstylist based in Miami, but I'm here today to show you guys how to apply RPG Show's 13x6 lace frontal wigs with BoldHold Extreme Cream.
Alright, so I'm just going to use a stippling brush and some foundation that matches my skin tone on the back of the lace, just to help it blend in with my skin better when I put it down. And I also tighten the straps so that the lace can sit more flat on my skin. It's super important to make sure that lace is exactly where you want it to be before you start cutting the lace or doing anything fancy. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just making sure that it's where I want it. I pin back the side and I go in with the scissors. So on this side I'm kind of out of frame, but I'm pretty sure you can see on the other side that when I am cutting with the scissors, I'm kind of doing a zigzag motion, and that's going to help your lace blend in, because trust me, if you cut a straight line, you're going to see that straight line. So definitely you want to cut zigzag just to help the lace blend in. Cutting off the excess lace around my ear so that my ear will be free on the sides, and I'm just making sure that that lace covers all of my hair on each side before I start anything fancy. I'm going to go ahead and peel this on back and use 91% alcohol to clean my forehead. This is important because the BoldHold is not going to adhere as well if your skin has makeup or oil or anything like that. So you want to clean your skin all the way. I think this method is super easy because you're not going all the way around your head in one go. I'm just going to go ahead and pin up the side and use a small popsicle stick to just apply the BoldHold right in front of my hairline. I don't have to draw any lines or do anything like that because I peeled the lace up just right there, and I checked right before I started putting the BoldHold down, so I can kind of tell more or less where my lace is going to sit. So I just go ahead and in the general area that I know is going to sit, go ahead and apply it, wait until it dries clear, and then I'm going to go ahead and just put my lace down on top and then tap it in with my finger just to secure it. I used 4 layers. On the back of the bottle it says you can use up to 5 layers. I've done more than that in the past, but this time I don't intend to wear this wig any longer than like a week. So I only did 4 layers. So I just went ahead and repeated the process only from the top of my head, from temple to temple-ish. And then gonna go ahead and just lay down the lace, making sure that the lace is gonna lay down flat. I use my finger just to tap it in, take off that clip on the other side, make sure that the lace is sitting down where I want it to, peel it back, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply the BoldHold on this side as well. Same method, 4 layers. Making sure that every layer is all the way clear before I apply the next layer. Then when everything dries all the way clear, same deal, I'm just going to take the lace and I'm going to just tap it into where the BoldHold is. Then also just a tip for you guys, you don't want to have to force the lace down. If you feel like you have to really pull and tug that lace forward to sit down in the BoldHold, that's no bueno, because that's just letting you know ahead of time that that lace is going to pop up. The BoldHold is strong, but it's not invincible, you know, so you want to make the BoldHold, make its job easy, you know, like don't pull the lace forward, just kind of sit it straight down into it. You shouldn't have to pull too much, because all of that tension, the BoldHold will hold it for a little bit, but it'll give, you know, it's not going to hold forever. You're gently putting it down into the BoldHold. You don't have to force the lace forward to go into it, if that makes any sense. Now I am just cutting some baby hairs using a razor comb, and I like my baby hairs really minimal. I don't know about you guys, but I don't like my baby hairs doing the most. So I just, take out a few baby hairs and I lay them down with my edge brush and some Got2b spray. I use a spray and not the gel for my baby hairs because it just gives me a more natural look. It makes my hairs less plastered looking, but it still gives me really great hold. And now I'm just really playing with it, checking it out, making sure everything looks great. And oh my goodness, it does. I love this wig. And just a pro tip for you guys, this is the way I always tame my lace. No matter what, if you have some lace and it's already set in one part and you try to flip it to the next part, it's not going to lay down flat. So one thing you can do is just put some water on it, because water makes the hair a lot more malleable. It makes it a lot more flexible. So if you just, wet up the hair, part it where you like it, and then use a blow dryer to set that hair in place, it'll lay down a lot easier for you. Way easier than trying to go in piece by piece and trying to flat iron it through. Then of course I take that top layer, like a little bit right around the part, and I flat iron it to make sure that my hair looks really nice and sleek right there next to the part. Look at that lace, girl. Now I'm using some hairspray just to take care of those flyaway hairs, and I'm going to comb those down. And I am basically done with the lace now. I'm just adding a little bit of style, and I'm just putting some curls on each side. And I'm going to comb the curls out a lot because I don't want curls. I really just wanted the hair to have a little wave to it. So I'm really just fluffing out all of those curls, brushing them out, and voila, I'm done.
Alright everyone, super cool. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for melting this lace with me using BoldHold Extreme Cream. If you guys have any video suggestions, any requests, anything like that, please let me know in the comment section below, because I'll be making all sorts of content for you guys all through next year. So I'd love you guys' input to see what kind of videos that you guys want to see. If you guys use this method at home and you guys lay your RPG show wig, I want you guys to take a selfie and post it in this group so that everyone can see the amazingness that's going on at home with you and your RPG show wig.